What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot.
Why does it sound like a parrot?
Carrot and parrot sound similar.
Oh, okay.
Hello, I'm Carl. I'm an engineering graduate at Ørsted. And if I were to give some advice to student me, it would be to use all the free time and flexibility that you have as a student. And professionally, I think when you finish education, you should worry about what's at hand right now instead of a big scope that you don't have control over. And you should find a sector that is developing and has growth potential. And lastly, you should find a job where you have fun with the people as well.